Making our headline news this evening, thief caught with his hand in the cookie jar. Monkeys walk off the job. These and other stories making our headline this morning. I'm out. A thief is now in the hospital nursing bodily wounds to his pinky finger. He was said to have had his hand caught in the cookie jar. How did it happen? Nobody knows. Kelvin Joseph Company News have obtained footage of the incident. An employee of the Amazon jungle is off the job protesting lack of payment. This is how it went.
Okay, just pass the rag, huh? Please. Okay, but when do I get paid? When do I collect payment? After I win the tournament. So the way you're losing, even Serena Williams can't help you catch up.
After losing the bottom knockout competition, the participants stating that the game was rigged. How did it happen? Nobody knows. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Don't keep the fun to yourself. Share it with your friends and family. And remember, click that notification bell because YouTube will not send you anything more from me. Until next time, big up yourself and stay strong.